So basically I already did the sand and I put it in there. It didn't completely turn into sand, so I decided to do it already. I put the soap in there, the dishwasher soap, and I put equal amounts of dishwasher soap and water. And now I'm gonna put half of a nail polish remover. So that makes it 3 ounces. I'm gonna try to put 4 in it. Hold up a second. Okay, I think I got it down to 4. Let's do this. So I'm gonna use my stove timer to have the 20 minutes. So let's start this. Let's see if I can find an angle. Okay, here we go. Let me pause it and I'll bring it back once I finish. So I messed up because I forgot to put one main ingredient, and it was table salt. Yes, salt. Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully it works this time. This is halfway through and you could clearly see the graphite going down. Looks like a shower. And it's accumulating in the bottom very fast. See it? Don't forget to put the salt in it. You gotta put, I knew there was 4 stuff I needed to put in it, but my mind races sometimes. It's 4 equal parts of 4 things. It's water, the nail polish remover or acetone, the graphite, and the table salt. So it's actually working. See how black that is? It's going down. I'm halfway through, so I'm gonna try to finish it. But I'll leave the results for another video because it's too long, this one. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to my channel. This is Luis Martinez.